Introduce yourself.
Yes, sir. My name is Krishnan Gupta. I've completed my schooling from St. Joseph Senior Secondary School. I've been living in Raipur. My hobbies are listening music, playing music, cooking, and playing cricket, badminton, in sports. My strengths are I have a positive attitude in like everything, learning attitude, focus and determination. And my weakness is that during a two-way conversation, sometimes I don't listen to the other points and I'm like to jump, like I want to say my points. So that is a thing I feel weakness of myself.
Okay. Uh, which topic would you like me to question from?
Sir, whatever, as many topics are done, I don't remember how much I done. So
Are you comfortable
whatever
talking
you,
about economy?
yes, sir. I don't know much facts, but like I can talk a little bit.
Okay. Recently, RBI's
Yes.
forex reserve was about all-time high of around $600 billion. You know about that?
No, sir. Sorry.
Okay. In your words, in very short, please explain me the current Indian economy situation.
Sir, basically, as we seen that GDP has gone down like too much, and due to pandemic also it has hit very hard. So economic condition is very bad, in a very bad condition. The reason is that people don't have money, like liquidity. So that's the reason.
So, who is responsible for that?
Sir, basically, pandemic is responsible for many things because the shops were closed, so people were not buying, and the cash flow was like stuck. So this that is the main reason. But government can do one thing, that they can spend on healthcare and other major things to increase it. So on their part, this could be done,
Look,
which they
look,
are not doing.
I'm not asking you about solutions. I was just asking you about the reasons, about the possible reasons, because the economy, Indian economy, has been on a downfall since demonetization itself. So we
Yes, sir.
cannot fully blame just this pandemic situation. So I want to know the major reasons behind the economic devastation of India.
Sir, basically the policies, not specific, but as you said, demonetization, it was considered to be very good, but it has not helped us much. Now the further policies, which were also not good, I think. So basically, that is the reason. They were not promoting. Uh, Sorry, sir, I really don't have that much knowledge about.
All right. Uh, you suggest yourself. What genre would you like me to question from?
Sir, society, politics, education, something like that.
I'll ask a question related to all those things. So
Sir.
if we talk about the uh, of our Indian society and specifically about the education system. Our Indian education system is what we have seen is focused on just education, not learning. So, what are
Yes,
the
sir.
possible ways, solutions, which you could suggest, which could be modified or implemented in our current Indian education system, which can convert our education system into a learning education system?
Sir, two or three points I will concluding. Sir, first point, I think that the problem is we don't give respect to each and every subject, which is very wrong. Everything is important. So in that way, we would have more options and practical implementations. If we study engineering also, then we also don't know many things about our branch only. So practical implications is good, which is in new education policy, that a 12th student also will have good, they have introduced it. So that is a solution. And vocational training, I would just give example about the German education system. They have a different, those who are good in studies, they pursue their higher studies, and those who are not that good, they go for vocational training and do some jobs. So this kind of thing should be done in India, so that every student will be able by their ability to do things good.
All right. My last question to you is, how can you
Yes, sir.
drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking?
How can I drop a raw egg without cracking on a concrete?
I'll repeat my question. How can you drop a raw egg onto a concrete floor without cracking?
Mm, without cracking. Sir, may I get time to think on it?
Think of it. Till then, Nama ma'am, you can ask question.
Yes, Krishna.
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you are working in an organization and you are a part of a team where one particular member irritates you, what would you do?
Ma'am, he's like my colleague or
Yes,
some
you
at
have to
higher.
work with him or her. You are in a team, so what would you do?
Yes. Ma'am, if he like irritates me, then just I would try to ignore him first. But if it like increases, then I would have option of complaining about him if it not stops.
That is your personal problem. You cannot complain about him in the office. He irritates you, not the entire office.
Okay, okay. So, ma'am, if he's like he's having personal grudges with me and he rates me, so I will respond like that only. I will do something like I will rate him back. I will
Okay.
do. Yes, ma'am.
And you are interested in cooking. So
Yes, ma'am.
just a question of GK. Who was the first female recognized chef of India? If you know about her.
Ma'am, female recognized chef. If I don't have much knowledge, but if I say from MasterChef, it was Pankaj maybe.
Okay.
I, I don't have idea. Actually, I just like cooking. I don't have knowledge about it. And I've just seen her show MasterChef only. Nothing more than that.
Okay. And what are the top 3 challenges that are faced by a middle class family in India? Just tell me 3 precise points.
In a middle class family, first I think financial problem. If a student wants to get higher education, he have to think about the financial things. The second, it's like related. If if someone like wants to study more, but he has a problem like he had to support his family, so he would not be able to study more. He would have to do some job. So this is the second problem I think. And middle class are like the in between one, like they don't get the government support also, and they are because they are not that much low and they are not that much rich, so they are like in between, so they survive.
2 of your points include financial instability. I want
Yes,
that
ma'am.
one.
uh,
Apart from financial status.
Financial instability, because no point if we.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's move on. Thank you,
I'm
Krishna.
sorry, ma'am.
No
Thank
problem.
you. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Krishna.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I will tell you the answer after thinking.
All right.
Yes, thank you, sir.